Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read cryptocurrency charts for trading. If you're new to trading, you may feel overwhelmed by the complexity of these charts. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify it for you. Firstly, let's understand the different types of charts. The most common charts used in cryptocurrency trading are line charts, candlestick charts, and bar charts. The line chart shows the price movement of a cryptocurrency over time. It's a basic chart that is easy to understand, but it doesn't provide much detail. The candlestick chart, on the other hand, provides a lot more information. It shows the opening and closing prices, the high and low prices, and the overall price trend. The bar chart is similar to the candlestick chart, but it's not as visually appealing. Now let's discuss the elements of the candlestick chart. Each candlestick represents a specific time period, usually a day. The body of the candlestick represents the opening and closing price of the cryptocurrency. If the body is green, it means the price has gone up, and if the body is red, it means the price has gone down. The wicks or shadows represent the high and low prices during that time period. Moving on, we'll talk about the different time frames you can use to analyze the chart. The most commonly used time frames are 1 day, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. The longer the time frame, the more reliable the information will be, but it will also be less detailed. If you're a long-term investor, you'll probably use the daily chart, but if you're a day trader, you'll use the 15-minute chart. Finally, let's discuss some indicators that you can use to analyze the chart. The most commonly used indicators are moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. Moving averages help to smooth out the price action and show the overall trend. RSI helps to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market, while Bollinger Bands show the volatility of the cryptocurrency. So there you have it, guys, a basic guide on how to read cryptocurrency charts for trading. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and learning as much as you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.